In this video, we are going to show you how to connect Twilio for SMS in your Emergent AI app. Now, once you've logged into your Emergent AI, you need to go click on mobile app here, right, for our prompt. But before we start, we need to have our Twilio account set up. So once you've set up, you can get a free Twilio account. And once you've logged into your account, you can go to console.twilio.com and it's going to bring you to this page right here. This is your home screen. Scroll down and then you're going to see account info. Now with account info, now this is just to make sure that we have all the stuff we need if ever Emergent asks us for these information. So we need an account SID, we need our auth token, and we need your Twilio phone number. So once we have these secured, we want to go back to Emergent and we need to actually type or paste this prompt right here. So I want to integrate Twilio SMS into my app. Please set up a Twilio provider so I can send automated text messages to users and send this. And let's wait for Twilio to start, or Emergent making his magic or its magic. All right, it says here, it will help us integrate Twilio SMS into your Expo mobile app. So let me start by getting the integration playbook for Twilio, then gather the necessary credentials for you. There we go. Okay, now it says something here. So perfect, I have the integration playbook for Twilio SMS. Now let me gather the necessary information from you to begin implementation. So again, we said that it's going to ask us for SID, auth token, and phone number. So number one, right, we are going to type in number one. So we're just going to copy account SSID, right? We're just going to copy this. There you go. Right. And then we're going to auth token. Copy that too. There we go. And then Twilio phone number. There we go. That is number one. Number two, we just go with A. Number three, do A. Again, we're just gonna, number four. Sure. And then we just send this, right? There we go. All right, now that the front end is working, it is now installing the required safe area context package, and it's going to restart the Expo service. There you go. It's going to start creating the layout for the app, which is, again, this is quite fast considering we're actually making it do everything. And now it's finished creating the app layout. Now it is testing the backend APIs to make sure that there are no errors, and if there are, it's going to course correct. It's going to fix those errors for us. All right, now we are done, and as you can see here, we scroll up. So they have built a SMS verification system with automated OTP delivery via Twilio. So what's working? These are the things that are working. Twilio configuration needed. So action report, enable geographic permissions in your Twilio account, which is pretty much easy if you were going to do this. And then it's created the files that we need and testing status. So backend, there we go. Next action items. So we can just pretty much do these two, or we can publish to source right now. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.